So, on this bike we have an A-head stem. The first thing we're going to need to do is position the stem so it's aligned straight with the forks. The stem itself should actually be parallel to what we call the top tube of the bike here. So you can literally look down the top and make sure it's aligned nice and straight. And then when we're happy that's straight, we're going to tighten that using the 2 fixing bolts, 1, 2 on the back of the stem. So when we're tightening these, you just want to alternate between the bolts, a little bit at a time, until they're nice and tight. Now that we're happy with the alignment, we can go on to fit the handlebars. First step being to remove this fixing plate here. So let's take out the 4 screws. They'll be slightly loose already, but if you need to use your Allen key to do that, then you can. So we just wind them out using our hands. Put that to one side. And that's the part of the stem here that we're going to rest those handlebars. And you might want to get the help of someone else to help with this one. Rest them into the stem and then refix the plate on the front. Just start to tighten those screws till they take hold. And a couple of considerations here. First is that when we fix these 4 screws, we need to make sure that they're evenly tightened. The way that we achieve that is we make sure that the gap here, and there's also one on the underside of the stem, are all the same distance. That guarantees the bolts are evenly tightened. So I'll start to just do that with my fingers. I think this is probably one of the more fiddly elements of the assembly process, so it's always useful to get a friend to help hold the handlebars in place if that's easier for you. And also we want to make sure our handlebars are evenly sitting in the stem, so they're not over to one side like this, or like this, but they're perfectly in the middle. So if we're happy with that, and finish off with our key. Reference the gap at the bottom as well. If you've got a bigger gap, say at the bottom than the top, then we can loosen them. Open that up and tighten it to the bottom. If we're happy with that, we might want to twist the handlebars depending on where they're sitting. Just into that upright position so you can reach the brake levers. And when you're happy that everything's even, then just go ahead and tighten all those bolts. And that is your stem aligned and your handlebars fitted for the A-head stem.